Hi children, I am Purushottam, maths teacher, ZPHS all day. Here theorem 8.6 is there, Nana. What is it? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Very important theorem for 8.3 exercise for coming problems. What is the meaning of this question? First, try to understand the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Already, even the two triangles are similar. Means area of triangle ABC, ratio of area. Triangle PQR is equal to ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to, is asking to show the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. What is asking us? Squares of their corresponding means AB square by PQ square, that equal to AC square by PR square, and that equal to DC square by QR square. This is asking. Anywhere, if two triangles are similar means automatically the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of right corresponding sides. One of the most important question. Listen carefully. Very easy. Okay, Nana? Let's see the question. Right. Here first given is what? What is the given statement? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This information is given. The two triangles are similar. When they are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Already we know this. Next, what we are going to prove? Required to prove is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. This is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. DC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. Listen carefully, Nana. He is asking about areas. So we need altitude for the triangles. So I drawn here altitude. Example, this is T. And here also one altitude, sir, for this triangle, that is I am taking as E. Okay. Now these two are, I did the construction. What's it? There are AD is perpendicular on, sorry, AD is perpendicular on BC, and one more construction, that is PE is perpendicular on QR. These two construction I did. Now proof. Before I am going to do the proof, first I am going to compare these two triangles. How the small two triangles are there. See now. Triangle ABD and triangle PQE. When I compare these two triangles, what I get the information, what information I get? See, ABD and PQE. ABD and PQE. Okay. In this triangle, angle B is equal to in this triangle Q, because the two triangles are already similar. That all I write here. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Oh, how you know, sir? With the reason. What is the reason? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Is it clear? Right. Next, angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle PEQ. How these two are equal? The reason that is we construct, because AD is perpendicular on BC and PE is perpendicular on QR. That means what? Here right angles. These two are the right angles, 90 degrees. Both are right angles. So what happened? These two triangles are satisfied. They are satisfied. AA similarity criterion. Okay. When they are satisfied AA similarity criterion, we have to say triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQE. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides for these two triangles? Half of the triangles. AB by PQ is equal to, I can write as AB by PQ is equal to AD by, we can write as AD by PE. Is it okay, Nana? This is, I am treated as the first equation. Right, now I am going to take the question, that is, I am going to find the areas. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle of PQR. Already we know the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into the perpendicular height. So half I am writing, base AC I am writing, and height AD here by, for this down triangle PQR, half into base is QR and height is PE. So here half of cancel, half of cancel. Next, I got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD by QR into PE. Nana, is it clear for all? Any confusion is there? No confusion. So just I am going to doing one thing now. That is, already these two given these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC. Take this is the second equation example. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Already we know. So the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides in this big triangles? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to, and AC by PR. This is already we know. This is simply treated as third equation. Okay, this first and third, from first and third, what we understood, Nana? First and third, what is that? Instead of AD by PE, we can write as AB by PQ. This AD by PE, oh sorry, Nana, yeah. AD by PE is equal to, I can write as AB by PQ for this. For this BC by QR also I can write as AB by PQ. Is it clear? Okay, that all I am writing. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, instead of BC by QR, we can write as AB by PQ. And into, instead of AD by PE, we can write as AB by PQ. So what happens, sir? So I'm going to write here. So, triangle ABC by triangle PQR is equal to, we got AB into AB square by PQ square. Okay, from equation third, that AB by PQ means automatically CB by QR, automatically AC by PR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to, we can write as AC square by PR square. AC square by PR square. Can I clearly understand, children? Okay, this is one of the most important question. Here, same, if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes. చూడండి తేడా వచ్చిందంటే కరెస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్ అనే బదులు కరెస్పాండింగ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్ ఇలా అన్నారు అనుకోండి, ఇలా యాజ్ ఇట్ యు డూ ఇట్ నా అప్ టు హియర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ యు డూ ఇట్ ద సేమ్ చేంజ్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ చేంజ్. ఓకే, క్లియర్? దెన్ వాట్ షుడ్ వి డు? Instead of BC by QR, what is it? AB by PQ. But that AB by PQ is called what, sir? AB by PE, right? Remove this and write down AD by PE. Then what we get? AD square by PE square. Finished our answer. Corresponding altitudes. Clear? Right. The same question again I am going to change a little bit. What is that? Means ratio, if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding medians. Student, question change, corresponding altitudes and corresponding medians. Instead of these two are the perpendicular heights, you treat it as these two are the medians. Means it is midpoint. You treat it as midpoint. Oh, then you show these two triangles are similar. Already these two triangles are, you make them as similar. Then as still we get up to here, as still we get same to same. Again, this instead of BC by QR, you write as AD by PE. You get AD square by PE square. And again, one more question also. If two triangles are similar, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding angle bisectors. అంటే ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్లో మనం 4 తీర్ల క్వశ్చన్ చేయొచ్చు. First question is given question. What is that? Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. This is first question. Instead of corresponding sides, corresponding altitudes. Instead of corresponding altitudes, corresponding medians. Instead of corresponding medians, corresponding angle bisectors. ఇలా ఇన్ని క్వశ్చన్లకు కూడా ఇది ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నాం కాబట్టి మనం ఆ మిగతా క్వశ్చన్లు కూడా మీరు అప్లై చేసి ట్రై చేయండి, వస్తాయి. క్లియర్? థ్యాంక్ యూ.